Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make classic Italian meatballs. Moisten the bread pieces with the milk until absorbed. Add the egg and mix everything together. Add the milk mixture to the meat, the sea salt, the pepper, the oregano and the cumin, the nutmeg, the garlic, the olive oil, and the fresh basil. Mix everything together with your hands until everything is incorporated. Add the Parmigiano cheese and mix again. When done, heat a little bit of olive oil in the pan and form small balls with your hands. Place them in the heated pan and let it brown on both sides. When finished, add the tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper and bring the sauce to simmer. Cover and let it cook for about 30 or 40 minutes. You can serve the meatballs as a side dish or with pasta. Let's try. So good. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.